Hello everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to Dr. Cash channel. This video is a start of a new section, case studies for affiliate marketers, where we are going to analyze successful funnels with traffic sources, landing pages, creos and offers by Dr. Cash. Let's begin. The first case on the offer Glycat real goods for diabetics to Poland with 110% ROI. Rate for this offer is $22. Spent on the campaign is $3,870. Earned $8,136. Profit is $4,266. You can see traffic driving on the screen, so let's find out. Creative, a usual static one, seems to be doing incredibly well for the last few years. Everything is clear and short on the text. To make it clear what we're talking about, you can use a couple of phrases from landing. If to talk about landings, we took those that showed good rate indices and translated them into Polish. Some included roulette to keep the target audience interested. The comments on the landing page must contain photos of the product literally in the hands of buyers. This will add more trust and raise the approval. There is statistics on the screen. Here we can see 2,580 leads, almost 1,000 of them are in trash. It is totally okay when working with zero price offers. Approval of 20.5% is not a bad result for the same zero price offers. As a start in traffic, we used Facebook. We used both the cloak and pre-landing. The result was quite good and had somewhat equal spend. We used topical white pages, proper nutrition, clean vessels, and doctor consultation. Another important moment is not to forget to include an application form. Otherwise, in 80% of case studies you can get a ban during moderation. CPL, that is an average cost per lead, was about $1.50. We could find a lead for $1, but unfortunately they didn't leave more than 50-70 leads. The launch was held with the Polish King account with past ads ban, plus strong Ukrainian farm accounts, plus auto-registered farm accounts placed on them. In the near future we will try to make a separate video about setups on Facebook and tell you more about working with King accounts. All info about the campaign you can see on the screen, and in the description you will find links to articles with cases from this video. There, as well, you will find links to creatives and landing pages. Second case on the offer Fit and Sleep weight loss program in Philippines with 88.43% ROI. Rate for this offer is $10. Spent on the campaign is $4,305. Earned $8,112. Profit is $3,807. Traffic driving has lasted for almost 5 months. Let's review the case. The launch from each account was accompanied by a new creative based on this template. The webmaster notes that there were some problems with Facebook because of the bypass of the system, but he managed to find out that the problem was in pics of tablets on the banner. As soon as they were changed, the check was passed. The source was Facebook. During the campaign, the safest cloak was used plus the pre-landing, again with the classic roulette. White page was created in Canva, but you can use any website builder as well. A stream link from the affiliate program was simply inserted into the design without any third-party services, and that was it. At the same time, part of the traffic had to be sacrificed, but moderation on Facebook was easy. Advertising campaign settings were as follows. Goal, of course, is conversions. There was a total budget for the campaign. Targeting a wide target audience from 18 to 65 years old. Only mobile traffic. Placements, Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook stories and Instagram stories. And there was no text in the ad. The launch was 111. That is one campaign, one ad set and one ad. Initially they tried to make 3 ad sets, but in this case there was no traffic. Advertising campaign settings were as follows. Goal, of course, is conversions. There was a total budget for the campaign, targeting a wide target audience from 18 to 65 years old. Now you can see the statistics for this campaign from the Dr.cash affiliate account on the screen. During the campaign there were good and bad days, after which everything was restored, and at that time it was very important not to stop the traffic. This philosophical approach helps, by the way, not only in affiliate marketing. You see all the information about the campaign on the screen again, and all the materials and article about this case are available at the link in the description. Let's move on to the third case on the offers quinatrin-free fungal remedy to Poland with 201% ROI. Spent on the campaign is $1,590, earned $4,786. Profit is $3,196. The campaign has lasted almost 3 weeks. Let's analyze it. For all the time, 5 accounts have been involved. Anti-detect browser Dolphin Anti, mobile proxies of Ukraine, cloaking through ImClaw, whites were done on Tilda, different creatives were tested as a result, statics with bright, intriguing text went well. Leads cost from $1 to $1.50. Also, pre-landing from a partner was used stylized as a healthcare conference, only instead of the form, a roulette was used. Here we see statistical data, opinions of scientists, reviews with before-after photos, and buttons for ordering. Now, on the screen you see screenshots from the webmaster's personal account. Campaigns were launched from past ads ban farms according to the 1-to-2 scheme. This means that in each individual campaign there were 2 ad sets with their own targeting and settings, and there were 2 ads in this group. Audience consisted of men and women over 40. Placement Facebook feed. Also, the webmaster notes that there were a lot of comments. He had to clean them every 2-3 hours. So, the full info about the campaign is now on the screen, and all the materials and the article are at the link in the description. And that brings us to the end of our first video dedicated to case studies provided by Dr.cash partners. There are many more cases ahead, stay tuned. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, I wish you high ROI.